Tanisha K, the ultimate baddie, period. And welcome back to another Amazon wig review. So today's wig is going to be a bob from USEXY hair on Amazon. It is a 10-inch 13x4 lace front wig. Okay, so let's get into the wig. So this is how USEXY sent the hair. Came in this bag like this. And let's get into it. So, came with some lashes, but y'all know the shop on tubelink.com, right? Period. A wig cap. And the wig, period. So, let's get into it. It is super soft. It has like a slight smell, but it's very, very light. Like that wig smell. It's super duper soft. It looks as if it's giving body. So let's see what this lace is giving. So that's what the lace is giving. It has clip in the back and then clips on the sides. The edge line looks pretty good, but I think I'm still going to go ahead and go in and pluck. The knots are very small, but I am still going to go in and bleach them. So that is what we are going to go ahead and do. Yeah. Alright, baddies. So this is what the wig looking after I plucked and bleached it. I did 40 volume and left it on for about 30 minutes, and the knots are pretty much still present, but they're okay. And I went in and plucked. So let's go ahead and get started and install her. So this wig is kind of big, so I'm gonna just go ahead and cut my ear flaps out so that I can make it lay really good.
By myself, you around, she's around, it's be fly, not leave her out. What we call this? Hopeless, not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. I be wildin', not like you, so maybe it's like you. We ain't so different, maybe I be trippin'. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what you do, just tell me when it hurts.
So I'm going to put the band on. Alright, so now I'm just going to kind of start styling while that dries. So I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron it. So we're gonna do a middle part, and as y'all can see, there are these little pieces in the middle just sticking up. You see them little pieces? I don't know why they're there, but no. So I don't know what's up with that, but that's there. But hopefully it don't be a problem. I can just smooth it down, but I really wanted to do a middle part. Hold on, let me see if it's like that throughout the frontal, cause that's crazy. It is. Why is it like that? Throughout the frontal like that. I don't know why they got them little short pieces of hairs like that, but I'm throwing it off. I don't like it. Hopefully they smooth down though. Hopefully it won't be too much of a problem, but look at that. Look at the little hair sticking out, man. What? Oh no. Everything was going good so far. Everything was going good until them little hairs start popping up. Okay, so let's get into the smoothing part of it. I'm guessing. You know what? Let me just go a flat iron the back. Let me just get some flat iron going. Let's see what that's gonna give.
Myself as murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself as murder. What you mean, you and me? I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around. It's people like not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic.
So let's get the smoothing this part here. Cause what in the world?
Maybe I be tripping. myself. You around, she's around, let's be polite, not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. Not like you, so maybe a little like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be tripping. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what you
That's that. Let's go ahead and take this band off so that I can cut the lace. And let's see what's going on. But at least the edges look pretty good.
What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What you mean, you and me? I'm here by myself. You around, she's around. Let's be polite, not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. Not like you, so maybe a little like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be tripping. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder.
Alright, so yeah, no baby hairs. And since we are doing no baby hairs, let's just go ahead and kill that white line. Ooh. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I cut it. Because I like this length a whole lot better. Even though it's giving Dora. I love it. But right now I'm just going ahead and putting like makeup on the lace to help it disappear a whole lot better. This side versus this side. Period.
What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What you mean, you and me? I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around. Let's be polite, not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. Not like you, so maybe a little like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be tripping. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I
So now I'm just gonna set that makeup with some mousse, and then I'm gonna put my band back on for about 15 more minutes, and then I come back with the end results. All right, baddies, so this is the final results. I am loving it, although I am gonna give this wig a 7 out of 10, simply because of those little short hairs in the front. They were kind of hard to tame. I'm not even gonna lie, like they were really hard to tame. But I did, and the lace is absolutely positively laying. Okay, I plucked a little bit, and now it's giving scalp periods. Period. I am loving this wig. Period. The hair is super duper soft, but it is not silky. You know, sometimes you want that bob to be like silky so it can give that good stiff wear. You know, it's giving that, but it don't like really bounce back. But yeah, like this wig is A1. Just wish it didn't have those little short flyaways, but other than that, I like it. I went ahead and I cut it to the length that I like. If you are an OG, then you know I love for my bob wigs to look like Dora. Periods. Periods. Because them Dora bobs be eating down every time. Okay. But the link will be inside of the description box. Don't forget to subscribe. The baddie is out. Love you guys for watching. Girl, not me trying to make sure my bob not giving stiff wear, because we giving Dora, baby, not Cynthia. Period.